Hello Bunny Squad, today we're going to read a book about Sniff, Snack, Sniffle, Nose. Snick, Snack, Sniffle, Nose. Ready
to read the
Stop!
because
This guy, his name is called Snick, Snack, Sniffle, Nose. He got a sniffle nose like mommy. Sniffle nose. Stop! Said the Snick, Snack, Sniffle, Nose. Clip, clop, troll. Wow, he's
and the frog
and the frog got a really long name. This is my log. Where's the log?
lock
You see this wood that he's sitting on? That's his log. Stop there on the grass. I won't let you pass. This is his log. Okay? He's talking to the frog. Don't come here. Let me pass, said the flip-flop frog. This is my pond. Let me pass, or I'll hop on your log. This guy, Sniffle Nose, he's not happy. I'm not gonna let you pass. And the frog say, that's my pond. You gotta let me pass. If not, I'm gonna hop over. Hop, said the Snick, Snack, Sniffle Nose, Clip, Clop, Troll. You can hop, you can plop, you can flip, you can flop. But this is my log. I won't let you pass. This frog is not happy. Sniffle Nose is challenging him. You can hop. Of course you can hop. But this is still my log and I won't let you pass. Let me pass, said the plump old rat. This is my pond. Let me pass or I'll jump on your hat. Heh, he said. Heh. Jump, said the Snick, Snack, Sniffle Nose, Clip, Clop, Troll. You can jump, you can clump, you can bump, you can top, but this is my log. I won't let you pass. Still, you don't let me pass, said the cold old wind from end of the pond. This is my pond. Let me pass, or I'll huff and I'll puff. I'll blow your big log to the end of the land. Oh, this cloud or this old wind, he's very strong. He's gonna blow, huff and puff and blow the log away. Huff, said the Sniff, Snack, Sniffle Nose, Clip, Clop, Troll. You can huff, you can puff, you can puff, you can huff, but this is my log. I won't let you pass. He insisted. I'm not gonna let you pass. You can blow all you want. And the wind to the flip-flop frog. Jump, said the wind to the plump old rat. Then he huffed and he puffed and he puffed and he huffed. Huff. A strong wind. He blew the Snick, Snack, Sniffle Nose, Clip, Clop, Troll to the end of the land. Stop! Even his shoe is blown away. His hat is blown away.
stop
He says, stop. And the Snick, Snack, Sniffle Nose, Clip, Clop, Troll was never seen again. And the frog goes in the pond and plop. And the rat goes to the pond, they jump on the leaf, and the wind goes huff huff. End of the story. Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Good